So the second concept before I talk about how to do this is simply that you select markets that are outperforming their competitors. And doing so increases your overall edge. But that raises the tricky question of how you do this. Nowadays, it's actually really quite simple. But we need to come back to this. And I come back to this because it's often difficult to convince people of. In reality, we're faced with, these are the top 20 markets in the world. In reality, whilst we have access to, we might not be able to trade all of these. And I can only speak from my experience here in Australia, in that I'm somewhat limited in that I can trade my domestic market, I can trade Singapore, Hong Kong quite easily through the dealing system I use, and I can trade London quite easily. But the easiest market of all to trade is the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. And that's probably the same for everyone worldwide.